Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Guys, we continue to talk on the Australian dollar, but also we'll take the brief look on the euro currency because some similar processes we see right now on the euro currency as well. So on the daily chart of the Australian dollars, almost everything stands the same. So market is showing right now upside bounce from our first support, it's 80 even area. So our major idea on the a bit longer perspective is that the long-term monthly chart has not been reached. That's why we think that sooner or later, but probably it would be better if it will be sooner, the Australian dollar should continue upward action. And currently we're trying to estimate from which level market could do this. So first level where it could happen, this is 80 even. That's why yesterday we have prepared the trading plan how we could take the long position at this point, and depending on how market will behave, we could act differently. So market indeed will start upward action above the previous tops, so it's really will be upside continuation to 81.60 area. So we could hold the position if market will show just minor bounce here. We could maybe take the minor profit, but what's more important is that we will be able to move our stops to the break-even as soon as market will show upward bounce here. So now this action stands underway. So we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. Actually, yesterday we have discussed here as possible bread butter sell pattern here, but instead of that, we have got some kind of the double repo buy. Because take a look, we have drop, thrust down, close above the 3x3 with this candle, close below, and here is close above. That was the triggering candle for the double repo buy pattern. Guys, here, this actually looks not like the perfect double repo because the difference between this bottom and that bottom is a bit too significant. So the perfect double repo is forming when these bottoms are approximately equal, or even when the second bottom is slightly lower. But this is a bit not very important for us right now because we also have another pattern on the intraday chart that we have used for taking the long position. Yesterday, if you remember, we said that as soon as market will form the first upward action here, take the deep retracement, the 618 retracement to go long if you would like to take the long position at all on the Australian dollar right now. So here how it looked like. On the hourly chart, market has formed perfect godless triple to buy pattern. So this actually was the deep retracement to the 618 support, it's 1870 area. That's perfectly has completed the trading plan that we have discussed. So we said his market has formed first upward swing after strong action down. First reversal swings, market has moved above this previous swing down. Retracement probably will be deep. That's why I look for the 618 support. So it doesn't matter where you have taken position here at the first leg or you have waited for AUDUSD has been completed. It approximately was in the same point. It's around 1870. That's why those of you who have taken the long position according to our trading plan right now could move your stops to the break-even either below these lows, maybe below these lows. So I don't know, but if we will move at the break-even, then probably it should be somewhere in this area. And just keep watching what will happen. When the market will hit the 50% retracement of the whole move down, that will be the theoretical target of the double repo. It's approximately 1860 area. So here you could make the decision either to take the whole profit and close the position, or take the half of your profit and keep the stop at the break-even and wait for a possible upward continuation. So we don't know what will happen. If market indeed will just continue rally up, this will be just great. But based on action that we see, it's not really very fast, and it's really exists some chances that market, after the minor respect to the support area that we have, could show some maybe deeper retracement. So we could get some kind of the A, B, C around 80-60 D pattern. So market could show 618 retracement Something of that sort could be approximately. So kind of the 618 retracement to 79.30 area, some ABCD pattern, something of that sort. That also could happen. But major points already have been done, because as you have got the long position, it's easy to make the decision if market will reach the 80-60 area. So what to do? Take the profit, keep the half of the position, or just tightening your stop closer while market will continue to creep high. So, but mostly the major task of this step was to show you where to take the position and how to take the position, as we have done with this. So just let's keep watching what will happen in Australian dollar next. Now on the euro currency. On the euro currency, guys, it's a bit tricky situation. Currently, guys, yesterday actually I was watching for possible bullish grabber here, because appearing of the grabber could really give us the easy solution what to do next, something of that sort. If grabber will be formed, it will mean the market should be taken out of this top and continue move higher, because we know that the major resistance actually stands not at this 21 area, but approximately for the 100 pips high and around the 122 if we'll take a look at the monthly and weekly chart. Also, market has reached a strong support area. This, as you can see, daily confidence 1925. The market has found the support, now it's bouncing up. That's why we're continuing watch what will happen. If market today will form the grabber, as you can see, market just creeping with the MACD predictor. So if market will form the grabber here, this maybe we will get the solution, and it will let us to take the position. It's upside action, because on the 4-hour time frame chart, actually you can see how market responds to this support line. It was really very good. It holds overall price action very nice, and you can see some kind of the washing risk has happened. Yes, the very nice engulfing pattern that could be used for taking the long position. This market has tested a trend line and returned back up. So this looks very nice, because also take a look at 1927. As I said, it's also daily confidence support. That's why just keep watching. This market will continue to move higher. It's very well. If market will break it down, so that will be probably the end of this expectation, and we should be ready for some deeper retracement on the daily chart. But while market stands good with this trending line and shows response to it, it really keeps chance on the possible further action. So nearest target or short-term target for the intraday charts, if you, for example, have taken the position as I did on this bullish engulfing pattern. So I just could show you. Here's my position, guys. So I have taken a long on this bullish engulfing. The stop's just below it, so it will be actually I have put just the scalp trade here. The minimum target will be just opposite border of this consolidation that looks like the wedge. So I do not know whether the market will creep to there or not. But in general, as I saw that's confidence support, this market responds well on this support line. I thought that's not really poor chances to see at least minor action here. So I still keep watching what will happen on the euro currency. But major point that should be watching is a possible grabber, bullish grabber on the daily chart. That will be very important.